Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Nowadays, online shopping has become more popular than in-store shopping. Is it a positive or a negative development? Give your reasons and examples. Shopping has always remained a popular activity among people of different age groups, and the advancement of technology has made it far easier to shop these days as compared to the past. This is the reason for the popularity of the online shopping. The benefits include the convenience to shop as per the time, easy browsing of products, detailed information at hand, and nonetheless is the discount. To start with the major reasons of the increasing trend of online shopping, e-commerce has made it easy to buy any product we want, does not matter where we live. If we want a product in India which is manufactured in Italy, we can order online and the companies deliver it to our doorstep. It facilitates not only access to the international brands, but the local products are also easily bought and delivered within a few minutes if ordered through Blinkit or Zomato. It simply requires downloading the app and creating an account on it. Apart from this, the flexibility in payment method gives more freedom to the shoppers, such as UPI, PayPal, or cash on delivery, which the buyers can choose whichever is the most convenient. The frequent sales held also save buyers money because of the discount offered, which inclines them towards this mode of shopping more during sale. Moreover, the features of the products are shown from every angle, along with the reviews and orders made for the purpose of customer satisfaction. The quality service provided also satisfies the customers, such as customer care service, where the problems faced by the customers are solved as per the terms and conditions. In case of damaged items sold, the companies compensate to the buyers as per the return policy, which maintains their goodwill and proves reliability. On the contrary, the visits to shops is helpful in actually seeing and trying the items bought, which is not done online, as screen beauty may misguide sometimes. The buyers get the item on the spot without wait. In conclusion, the online shopping has a lot of advantages which encourage buyers to opt for it. The companies support their customers in every way so that they are the beneficiaries and become their regular customers. However, the shopping in person consumes time and is confined to a specific place and shopkeepers' availability. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.